devs. Waving hand, ever seen this error when running Cursor AI? Unable to forward. Frustrating, right? Let's fix this in 2 minutes. Here's the deal. Cursor AI can't find code-tunnel.exe in the bin folder. The file's actually named cursor-tunnel.exe but hidden in the wrong spot. Let's fix this. First go to Cursor folder and then go to Resources folder. Then go to App folder. Then go to Bin folder. Now copy the cursor-tunnel.exe file. Then as you see an error looking for code-tunnel file inside cursor/bin folder. If there's no bin folder, create one. Paste the cursor-tunnel file that